Stella's birthday, and she sure is excited. What is it?
And guess what you get? Oh. Sticker.
Wow, show it to the camera. Show it to Papa. Oh, it's a Lego house of some sort with
It's
stuff.
Aurora, Andy. This is for you.
Aurora. Oh, Andy gets one? Well, it's not. What? We'll give it back. It's not his birthday.
It's okay.
What did Andy get?
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Minecraft.
I got Minecraft. Look, I got new food blocks. They're fancy.
Oh, they are fancy. Oh,
I
look
got
at
Diamond
glasses.
Steve with his diamond store.
Oh, look at the camera.
Look at the camera, Stella.
Birthday. Oh, it's 6 plus ages.
All right, here's one from Grandma and Grandpa again.
Grandma and Grandpa. Grandma and Grandpa. Diamond Steve. What is this? Diamond Steve with diamond swords and a block of ore diamond. Can you get us Steve? That's his diamond armor. This is his diamond sword. Get Minecraft Steve. I get Minecraft Steve.
Steve.
Yay!
But it's for your doll, Stella.
I took off his helmet.
Dolly clothes?
I took off his diamond helmet. And now he's an evil without a helmet.
Let's see, Stella.
What is this?
think it's
Hey,
Dolly
it's a
clothes.
Barbie
Maybe it's
dress.
Oh, wait a minute. No, this is clothes for...
That's versus.
That's for Stella. Oh, Stella, look. You got fancy pajamas.
Look, Mama, new skirt.
Yeah.
I think that's from.
What is this?
Oh, here's a new swimming suit. Very nice. That's from Grandma, too.
What is this? Is this a toy?
I don't know.
Diamond Steve
Open
will
it and
kill
see.
you.
Oh, it's fancy Barbie clothes. Look at that dress, Stella. Oh my goodness, look how fancy these. Oh, there's a pin here. Wow, look how
Who does
fancy.
this? And what is this?
That's a fancy boa.
Stella's putting it in her hair.
Huh?
All right, Papa's going to go upstairs real quick.